In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Confluence with Jira. This tutorial is especially useful for those who use both Atlassian products, as it allows for seamless integration, making project management more efficient. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure that you can follow along and replicate the steps on your own system with ease. To get started, navigate to your Jira dashboard. Once there, look for the settings icon, which is located in the top left corner of your screen. This icon is the gateway for managing all your administrative and product configurations. It's important to select the correct settings area, as this will guide you through the subsequent steps necessary for the integration process. Once you've accessed the settings, the next move is to select the products option. This choice allows you to manage the different products and applications that fall within the Atlassian suite. Focusing on product integrations at this point is crucial, as it's exactly what we're aiming to establish between Jira and Confluence. Now, under the Integration section, you'll want to select Application Links. This section handles how Jira communicates with other applications, including Confluence. Application links essentially form the backbone of integration, enabling the two platforms to exchange information seamlessly. You'll then need to click on Create Link. This action takes you to a page where you'll create a new connection, setting up a channel for communication between the two applications. At this point, when prompted, select Direct Application Link as the link type. This selection is vital because it specifies the nature of the connection you intend to establish. A direct application link paves the way for a straightforward, uninterrupted line of communication between Jira and Confluence. Next, you'll be asked to enter your Confluence URL. This step is crucial, as the URL serves as the destination address for the connection. Make sure you type in the correct URL. It's important to double-check your entry to avoid any typos, as an incorrect URL will prevent the connection from being established correctly. After you have entered the URL, click Next. This moves you forward to the next stage of setup, guiding you through various prompts that help confirm the connection. By following these prompts, you ensure that all the required information is accurately provided, allowing for successful linkage. During this process, you'll need to assign a name to your application. It can be anything that makes it easily identifiable, particularly if you plan on creating multiple integrations. A clear naming convention here can save you time in managing these links later on. After naming, select Confluence as the application type. This step is key to establishing and maintaining the correct communication protocols. Finally, click on Continue. Completing this final step will finalize the integration process, making the connection live. Once done, you will have successfully linked Confluence with Jira, enabling you to leverage the power of integrated project management tools. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your Atlassian experience even more productive. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to dive into these integration capabilities to enhance your workflow.